Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you're finding yourself constantly interrupted by notification sounds and pop-ups throughout your workday, this quick adjustment will help you regain some focus and control over your workspace. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen near your profile icon. You'll notice three dots there which represent your settings menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for customizing your team's experience. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where you can adjust all the core configurations for how Teams operates on your device. After clicking Settings, a new window will appear on your screen. On the left side of this settings window, you'll see a list of different categories you can manage. Look for the option that says Notifications and Activity and click on it. This section is specifically designed to give you control over how and when Teams alerts you about messages, mentions, and other activity happening across your channels and chats. Now that you're in the Notifications and Activity section, scroll through the options until you find Mute All Notifications. This is the feature that will completely silence all incoming alerts from Microsoft Teams, allowing you to work without any interruptions. Right next to this option, you'll see a toggle button. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. Once activated, you won't receive any notification sounds, banners, or pop-ups from Teams until you decide to turn notifications back on. And that's it. You've successfully muted all notifications in Microsoft Teams, giving yourself the peace and quiet you need to focus on your tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.